In today's video, we are making one of the highly valued natural elixirs. This mixture has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern science increasingly confirms its exceptional value. Many sources suggest that this combination may help strengthen your body during cold and flu season and throughout the winter. Every ingredient in this elixir is a superfood on its own, and when combined, their synergy becomes a real shield for your body. Let's start with the preparation. We start with garlic. We will first soak the cloves in water for easier peeling. It is known for allicin, a powerful sulfur compound that acts as a natural antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal agent. It is traditionally used to support blood vessel health and blood pressure regulation. We will crush the peeled garlic. Ginger is the next ingredient. Wash the ginger, then scrape off the peel. It contains gingerol, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It is known for improving digestion and relieving nausea. It has a pleasant, refreshing scent. Grate the root. Then combine it with the garlic. The third ingredient we will need is lemon. I always keep the lemon in water with baking soda before use. If it is an organic lemon, it can be used with the peel. Otherwise, the peel is removed. It is a good source of vitamin C and antioxidants, essential for strengthening the immune system. It protects cells from damage. It helps in the alkalization of the body and detoxification. We will cut the lemon into pieces. Then mix the lemon with the other ingredients. Honey is the last ingredient we need for this healthy recipe. It acts as a natural preservative and a transport medium. It is rich in enzymes, minerals, and antioxidants, acts as an antiseptic, and soothes the throat. Use exclusively natural, raw honey. Mix the honey with the other ingredients in a suitable jar. The required ingredients are 2 heads of garlic, 1 ginger root, 2 to 3 lemons, and 250 to 300 grams of honey. The mixture is stored in a sealed glass jar in the refrigerator. I particularly like the method of use. Take 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, pour it into a glass of water and stir well. Then filter and drink the beverage. It is best to drink it in the morning. Regarding the duration of use, it is recommended that this elixir be taken in cycles. Drink it for 3 weeks to 1 month. Then take a break for 7 to 14 days. The cycle can be repeated 2 to 3 times a year. If you have a sensitive stomach, do not take it on an empty stomach. It is recommended to complete a full cycle of application. Due to its strong effect on supporting blood vessel health, it is important to complete a full cycle. This mixture is a significant support for your health. Let's start with the cardiovascular system, as this combination may contribute to the cleansing of blood vessels. This is perhaps the best-known effect of this mixture. It may help in lowering bad cholesterol and triglycerides. It improves the elasticity of blood vessels. It supports healthy circulation. It assists in the regulation of high blood pressure. Regular use may contribute to reducing risk factors for cardiovascular problems. The next important effect is strengthening the immune system. The combination of the antiviral properties of garlic, ginger, and lemon makes this mixture excellent support for immunity. It helps the body fight off colds, flu, and respiratory infections faster. It reduces the intensity and duration of symptoms. Our mixture is also beneficial for detoxification and digestion. Ginger stimulates digestion, while lemon supports liver function, the main detoxification organ. It improves circulation and the elimination of toxins from the body. It relieves bloating, gas, and improves nutrient absorption. It also has an anti-inflammatory effect. Thanks to the gingerol in ginger, this mixture can effectively help alleviate inflammatory processes in the body. For example, it may ease pain in the joints and muscles. It is supportive for energy and vitality. Improved circulation, better metabolism, and a cleaner body naturally result in greater energy and an overall sense of vitality. Have you already tried this elixir? Share your experiences in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with friends. Subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. And to conclude, the mixture of garlic, lemon, ginger, and honey is an exceptional gift of nature to your health. Regular use can significantly support heart health, strengthen immunity, and boost energy levels. Important note, this video and recipe are for informational purposes only and do not constitute a substitute for medical advice, diagnosis, or prescribed treatment. Individuals using blood-thinning medications, anticoagulants, as well as those with low blood pressure, must consult with their doctor before use. The easiest way to support our work is to like the video. Click the follow button, then the bell, and finally confirm the bell. This means a lot to us. Thank you for your support.